So guys, BitMart crypto platform is about to shut down, all right? So BitMart crypto trading platform is about to shut down. And if you are using BitMart crypto platform, it's important you watch the video to the end to understand what you need to do immediately to be on the safest side, all right? So this announcement has been confirmed and this has sent their native token down by over 58%. Okay, so right now guys, this is the announcement where it was made right here on the official BitMart X account right here, saying that after careful evaluation of the company's operating condition, the market environment and future strategy direction, BitMart has made the difficult decision to commence an orderly wind down of its trading platform operation. We deeply regret having to make this decision. This is what they said, and I just quoted right now. So they went ahead to give the dates of their operation. For example, starting on July 26th, new registration deposits and new trading order will begin to be suspended. So after today, literally today's date is 26th, which is July, their trading trading order and new registration and deposit is going to be suspended, and starting August 26th, all trading services will be discontinued, and starting January 31st 2027, which is next year, platform operation will officially cease. So if you are using the BitMart trading platform, there are a couple of things that you need to do right now, and they also went ahead to emphasize that withdrawals will remain available. That is to people who need to withdraw their assets, we always have time to withdraw it. Okay, now this is the announcement they made on the official channel, and this is where I'm making my own point. Okay, so if you are using the BitMart trading platform, go ahead right now. First thing you need to do is to withdraw your assets. Very, very important. All right, so withdraw your assets, and most importantly, if you are the type that is using the their wallet, that is their input wallet. So looking over here, you can see we have Exchange, which is the one that I'm currently on, and they also have wallets right here. So if you have assets right here on their wallet, what you need to do is it's either you send all your assets out of this particular trading platform, or you copy that wallet private key or wallet passphrases, copy it out and import it on another wallet. This is going to keep you very, very safe from whatever happens. Okay, so right now, coming back to the platform right here, it's important that you withdraw your assets out entirely, or if you have any trading order, go ahead and close it, then withdraw your assets immediately. So this video is literally to circulate the information to my subscribers and every other person concerning the decision that this platform has actually taken. Not just BitMart, but other platforms have also followed up, and they have also announced that they are going to be shutting down their operation. Now let me try and find out right here. So over here right now, this particular platform called BitMEX also made this announcement 3 days ago, saying that they are also going to be shutting down. This is the official announcement right here on their X account. They said, and I quote, Today we share with a very heavy heart that BitMEX exchange will shut down its operation effectively 23rd September 2026. So if you are using this particular platform also, you should go ahead and withdraw your assets or export your wallet. Very, very important. Not just that, let me show you another one. Over here right now, this particular platform is called AscendEX. All right, so this is AscendEX exchange, and they are also winding down. They are also shutting down. So they have made the announcement clearly right here on their X account, as you can see. So my question right now is, why is it that all these platforms are shutting down? Why are they shutting down? That's the question. Now, literally anyone can say that it's because the crypto market is not favorable or blah blah blah. Currently, I don't know. They know the best reason why they are shutting down, but what I know is that if you are using any crypto platform or any crypto exchange to trade or whatsoever, you should be very, very careful and secure your account very well by getting to leave only money that you use for trading right there. For those of you who are using it to store crypto, blah blah blah, I don't really know. After all, you can always withdraw your assets anytime, but to be on the safer side, if you are planning on holding crypto for whatsoever reason, I will recommend you use wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Those wallets are not leaving this earth anytime soon. They are not shutting down anytime. All right, so thank you for watching the video, guys. This is just to kind of sensitize you guys. If you have any of this exchange, if you are trading on any of this exchange, go ahead and do the needful to stay on the safest side. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video, share it so that people out there will also get to know about it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll be talking to you on the next video that I'll be sharing very, very soon. Okay.